Hello to everyone. Welcome to my channel. Today we will start a new course, printed circuit board, which is also a part of second year student, DAE second year students, and the subject code is ELTR 271 printed circuit board. Let's see what is printed circuit board. Printed circuit board is wireless board. It is a technique or process to design a circuit on copper sheet by manual method, by screening, by by screen printing, or by computer through different software like Proteus, etc. There are many steps for designing PCB on copper sheet. Let's go to learn first step in this video. Today we will talk and learn practical number 3 and step number 1. The title of this practical is Selection of Required Circuit. Procedure. There are different circuits in electronics. I have selected full wave bridge rectifier. There are full wave rectifier circuits. One is called bridge rectifier and the other is called, one is in one we use simple center tap transformer and another is balance transformer. In this practical, I am using center tap transformer, diodes and capacitor and resistor and copper sheet as shown in diagram. So this is the simple procedure. This is the circuit diagram of full wave rectifier. In this diagram, you can see there are one transformer, this one, and this is the primary coil and this is the secondary coil, and there are two diode D1 and D2, and these are load resistor. If you want to filter the circuit, you want to get pure DC, you can use filter circuit in this circuit and this circuit. Thanks for watching. For next practical, see another video. Thank you.